Okay, the drum part for South Australia. So I'm going to break it down a little bit to start off with. So if you're learning this for the first time, just focus on the kick and the snare. So creating a pattern that's going to go like this. Okay, nice and simple to start off with. When you get comfortable doing that, which shouldn't take too long, you can add the hi-hats at the same time as you hit the snare. Once you're comfortable doing that, then the idea is to get the hi-hat on every beat. So you're playing it with the kick, and then you're playing it with the snare as well. So that gives you this pattern. Okay. Now, the challenge is though, although that might look really easy, the original tempo of South Australia is this. You're going to be going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keeping that going for a long period of time takes a bit of stamina. Now, if you're an experienced drummer, think about adding fills where you could hit cymbals, where you could do a little snare part. So we could do like a... Okay, which you can hopefully do better than I did there. And then watch the other video if you want to learn how to play the drum fill for the middle of the song, which is very challenging.